Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today what we're gonna do is add some workshop storage with this. I found this at a garage sale. They gave it to me for free. That's right, this cost me nothing. Now, it's a little bit broken and the drawers don't slide very well. So we're gonna fix it up, repurpose it, and add some workshop storage to our storage wall, okay? All right, so let me go ahead and bring you in for a closer look and let's see what this thing has to offer. So like I said, I picked this up at a garage sale. Now, it's pretty basic. I've been checking out the drawers and it looks like all it has is some grooves along the edge with a plastic track that it slides in. Now, there are a few little stoppers that you can insert into the side of the drawer that prevent it from coming out all the way. Well, I am going to leave those out so I can be able to take this wherever I need to go, okay? So the first thing that I've noticed is that these drawers don't slide very well. So a quick fix on that, we're gonna take a little bit of paste wax, okay? And just apply it to the tops and bottoms of the tracks, and that should help it slide really nicely. All right, second drawer here. All right, great. All right, so let's bring in for a closer look here. Now, all the drawers are sliding on these tracks. Pretty basic design. It looks like everything's held together with this. I'm gonna go ahead and just drive a couple screws in here, make it more secure. These types of connections, they don't last very long, all right? So what I'm gonna be using for this is some very small trim screws. What I'm doing is I'm just scribing a line, okay, around the cabinet so that I can find the center of the support piece. And then I'll use this to find the depth. Make a mark. Same on this side. Okay, great. Now I can go ahead and pre-drill. All right, we'll do the same on this side. Okay. These trim screws are really nice because they self-tap and the head is so small that just sinks right in. Okay. And tighten that. Perfect. Excellent. So that's much more stable. All right. Now we need to do something about the top. I'm going to take a look at the back here. And it looks like it is secured with a couple screws. Remove these screws and see what we're working with. Okay. remove the top if we can. Let's see, there's a couple of these latches here. Okay, those are clear. Clear and all clear. Okay, so nothing special with this. I think what we'll do is we'll put a little bit of glue in the dowels, and then we can retighten it with these included connectors. Okay. And then we can drive a couple brads in it if we need to. I think for an extra good measure, we'll throw a couple brads in there. All right, I can definitely tell that it's already more rigid on all corners here. Let's check the bottom. Not so great there. I think we'll do the same. And run some brads. Tighten it up and secure it with some brads. Feeling okay. Might need some brads in the side, but I may actually come at that with some pocket holes or just glue. We'll see. All right, that looks good. All right, everyone, so there you have it. For $0 and a little bit of sweat equity, we have ourselves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra storage drawers and a pretty rigid structure now. If the drawers need any additional support, we could secure them with some glue and brads, but right now they're just fine. So let's get this moved over to its resting spot and get it filled with tools. All right, here it is. So we have another drawer unit that we can add to our tool wall. And we'll be able to fill this with a few items. And then if we need to, we can bring over some tools to our work area, set it down and work from there, and then bring it back. All right. As always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you watching these videos the whole way through. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe and support the channel. Thank you very much.